special delivery.
Okay guys, Carty&Carty. So this is me guys. I notice I never really show my face in a lot of videos, so just letting you guys, see who you're dealing with, and that's kind of, it makes things better, I'm just, an ordinary guy. So just letting you guys know. For who doesn't never see me before, somebody said something about, oh, why you didn't, show your face? I said, hey, I didn't know that was a big deal, but this is me. So what I have on the table today, guys, let me show you. This is a KICKER amplifier, and this is the ZX350.4. So it's a 4-channel amplifier, as you guys can see. Alright, and the circuit looks like this. Okay, just like that. That's what the circuit looks like. Let me first show you guys what's the problem with this. I noticed these caps are swelling. All three of them is swelling. Yeah, they are puffed, Even this one right here, I have you could see at the top like it was leaking. Hold on, let me see, get a little focus on this. Right, I don't know. Why is that light so bright? It's messing me up right now. But what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to take this apart so you guys can really see what's going on. As soon as I find my Allen keys that I normally use to do these amplifiers. So I think this is one of them. I'm not wrong. Oh, Shadrach, I'm wrong. Okay, this is one of them. I'm doing with that one. So, any noise here in the background, guys, that's the fan. Let me focus this really good so you guys can see what I'm doing. Take these screws apart. Hold on, let me put this up a little. Yeah, it should go like, hold on. That's enough right there, I think. Yeah. This one is, I say, cutting the fuse. Some people say chopping the fuse. Yeah, that's what this one is doing. For hold on, guys, give me a minute. As you can see, out of the chassis. There, the circuit board is out. So let me show you guys what's going on here. And this uses a tip 35 and tip 36 as output. Oh yeah, that's what it uses for the output. So okay. Tighten these. These are for the preamp board, guys, and they put, when I was taking it apart, they got loose. So, and here look like it. Yeah, this side channel look like it. Yeah. You could see some discoloration of it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Let me see. Yeah, you should see it on the other side a little. For those who, holy crap, look at this. Holy crap. I think this is gonna be a serious little repair. Burn trace, guy. Look at that. That thing burned. Look at this. Burnt. Give you guys a view. Yep. That's what I'm holding in my hand. A piece of the circuit. And this one is down. Let me see if it's what is this? Is it ground terminal? Yes, it's a ground terminal, guys. There's something short out to the ground, as you guys can see. Trace is burnt from here, go right around. So I think this side is, yep, power supply. So I'm gonna have to change this right here, definitely, and change both of these three caps. I mean, these three caps, I said both, but it's not both. Alright, guys, let me check. So that's where I'm going to start, guys, and then we move on. So, and I didn't check What are these over here? Power supply again. You have two more of the power supply. Wow, they do this little funny. They have two IRF-Z44V and IRF-Z44V here. Alright, so I'm gonna see what's going on here. Let me see, you guys have these, because I'm pretty sure some of these have to be burnt or something. Okay guys, nah, yes. Aha, you see that guys? Yep. This side too. That, holy crap, really? Yeah, it could be guys, let me see, it could be, yeah, that's really, yeah, that's bad. Yeah, that's bad. See these really positive. Maybe I think these two are good, but let me see real quick. These two here, let's remove them and then I give it a test and see what's going on. It's alright. Alright guys, so let's see if mine was right. Let me show you what's going on here now. So this here, that's my daughter in the background guys. Aha, so these two are good. As you guys can see, hold on, that's capacitor reading. Aha. And these two are good. So it was only these two, which in I'm gonna just change out 4 of them and just call it a day, as it say. Yeah. So this is good. Guys, yep. Alright, so but I'm gonna replace all 4 because they're connected. You see, when I was reading it, the short it was short onto this side as well. So that's one of the reasons why I'm going to just replace all 4 of these and all 3 of these caps right here, which I have some right here. So let's go ahead and remove clear these stuff right here. Guys, alright guys, so clean those up. Let's take these capacitor right here. That's one, that's two, no, that's one almost in, just the one. This come this side, that come that side, that turn, let me see. Something is not right here, so alright, so this was it. Yep, that was right. This one was turned the other way, so that one, yep, perfect, makes sense. Guys, I'm gonna turn the fan off in the background after I'm finished here. Just getting my solder and really cold, and the place is like temperature is not that hot, so I'll show you guys. But first, let me show you these caps here, and then they are swollen. I don't know if you guys can see, but right top they are swollen. They are puffed up like so. Give me a minute. Okay guys, so I'm gonna install some IRF44Z. The one that they have in there was 44V. Don't worry guys, it's the same. You could even put 3205 in it as well. So just making you guys see. Yeah, so what I now do, put it like this, and about that height I would bring it like this, then I do something like that. That way I don't think I'm gonna cut any of the pins. Yikes, come on, that goes down too far. Yes guys, so I do that. And you could use the back of the circuit right here just to like this to know it's gonna touch on the chassis when it goes into the circuit board. And you could just give it a tap right from the top right here. Now we'll do the middle pin. So I do the middle pin, and then go to this side. As you guys can see, I put in the 3 capacitors because the other one was yellow and these are blue. So it matches with this at the top. Yes guys, just like that. So that side I didn't have anything to match it with, but I kinda use my judgment. Yep, perfect. After doing this for a while guys, you know guys, I always say that after doing this for a while, it's like you know exactly where they should be at. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and solder. Hold on, I have my whole solder iron guys. This I have this for a long time. Jeez, this is bad. Look at that. Wow, I think make the other one look like it's not trying. You know what I'm going to do now? I'm gonna unplug the other one and just keep this one plugged in, because I don't have money like that to waste on electricity guys. Definitely not. The other one is not eating that like as this. So let me unplug this and do this which I haven't used in a while, because the tip was a little bit broader than this one. This one is sort of the little fine tip to sort of IC and all that stuff. I'm saying IC, guys, I mean integrated circuit, for those who are thinking what I'm talking about when I say IC. Some people don't know it like that. So integrated circuit. So right, so back here, guys, I have a little issue right here with this. Right, let me tear it. As you guys can see, piece of circuit from the ground, and this leads right straight to the TL IC, guys. That TL494. Oh yeah. So I'm going to replace it, and some resistor around it that go through before I go through. But those resistors are reading fine. These are some ohms resistors. So wow, come on, come on. Wow. This thing is amazing. Alright, come on. Alright. So this is the TL494, guys. I'm replacing. Let me answer this car, guys. Alright, guys. So these are the TL. Alright. So the little thing that I pointed thing, and I flatten out here so I can put it underneath the IC, and I price it up a little. Yeah, don't do it too much, guys, because sometimes you'll break the pin now. But TL 494, gotta replace that one. Let's find one. TL 494. So you guys can see, yeah, I stock a lot of these stuff, a lot. I buy them from a different company. I don't buy from one same company. I buy them so I can like test to see which one works really fine. And guys, no joke about it. So these things fail. These TL494, they fail sometimes. Don't believe like, you know, they were perfect. They are just like other parts like MOSFET and stuff like that. They do fail. So I'm gonna use this one right here, which I use a lot in a lot of circuits. Yeah, TL494CN. So just letting you guys know. Yep. Over the years, guys, of doing this, I see some parts fail that I didn't know, like, you know. But please, guys, never get it in your head, say like some part they can't fail, and like, you know, like even resistor and stuff like that, and you know, there were 10 ohm resistor, and you'll be like, oh, it looks so good, and you know, shiny, and everything looks good, and it's the color is okay, and it doesn't look like, you know, it's burnt or anything. No, guys, don't let that fool you. Don't let that fool you. Just like the caps I take from a Rockville subwoofer the other day, guys, but was looked so fine. They weren't swollen or anything, but they were bad. In Jamaica, what we used to do in circuit sometimes to test those, to know if you know, to know if you have a bad capacitor. I'm gonna show you guys sometime what we do, just to show you can't trust those stuff sometimes. So what we normally do, guys, like rock it from side to side or stuff like that. And sometimes it's only one pin and the other pin is corroded. And sometimes that glue they put here sometimes corrode these stuff, guys. Believe me, those glues, not saying this one does, but some of the glue they use, yeah, silicone or what they call it, but they do rot the foot. I got one time. We were working it was a television at that time. That's the first time I understand, say I shouldn't trust these when they are, you know, not puff up and stuff like that, or burst or stuff like that. Like the guy that was teaching me, Menchi from Mapen, guys, yeah, he was, yeah, that guy, yeah. I used to work with that guy when I left high school, and that he's a good guy, believe me. Menchi said, hey, let me show you something. And he was that's the first place I learned where a capacitor was short, you know, like a fuse. He teach me one time, you know, going across a cap, that thing shot out like a fuse in I think it was fixing the horizontal part of a television, yes. The line across it, and one of them was shot, you know, a cap was shot, you know. I couldn't believe it. And he said, hey, look at what I'm doing. And he was doing like this on the circuit. But that circuit was fine until one day he was doing this, and then one of them just, when he was doing it, just raised to the other side, and I was like, wow. And look, the pin was corroded and all that, and throwing off the television. I was like, wow, look at that. And you know, it happens, guys. So just letting you know, don't trust a part. A lot of people, when they give me amplifier to repair, they would say, oh, I opened it and I didn't see anything burn, and I didn't see anything like, you know, no bursts, or like the caps are okay and stuff like that. And those are the customer, guys. Believe me, I'm afraid to request stuff for them, because you will tell them, oh, that was bad. They say, oh no, it looks fine, and you know, it don't. Not because you see it with the naked, you know. A lot of parts, these components, you're not gonna see when a part is bad with the naked eye. Just like this, like I just replaced, you know, they're fine. Didn't smell burn or stuff like that, but it's bad. I'm just letting you guys know, don't, you know, always trust your multimeter. Not when it's on low battery though. If it's low battery, yeah, that thing will mess you up, give you some messed up reading. So please get that in your head, guys. Just letting you know. Yeah, make sure your multimeter is on, you know, battery is up to date and stuff like that. So I'm testing these resistors right here, and these resistors are some, let me see what they are. These 0.1 ohms at 5 watt resistors. Call them poor resistors, some people call them heat resistor. Alright, so let me just go across these MOSFET real fast, guys, so you guys can see what I'm. So once done this shot, you know, we should be good, but I have some things to do on the other side of the circuit board, like solder some loose joints. And the side that was discolored, you know, I showed you guys earlier, that was discolored like here, yeah. And then I get back with you guys, and then I'm gonna run a trace from here right back to here, guys. Yeah, the burnt out circuit. So yeah, let me give it a little scrape and give it a little strong foundation too. So that's what I did to you guys. So you see how I scratch it right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna well right between the other. I'm not gonna hit, you know, see it, I hang this side come from here, go that way, and that side going that way. Yeah, right between there, and it's gonna go right around to here, to the ground terminal of the voltage input. So alright, guys, so give me a minute, I'll show you what's going on. Alright, guys, so all is done, everything is installed. TL494 jumper right here, that the circuit was burnt out. I put a green strap here instead, you know, to signifying ground or hurt or whatever, you know, people might call it. I'm not, I could use a red wire, just, yeah, but I don't like using red wire. Maybe somebody gonna repair it after me, and then they see that and thought this was the positive when it is negative. So I normally use color coded wire, like, you know, green, and they use in the US, what they use here, white, and they use black as live. Yeah, but me, I would use green or, well, yeah, black is not to be used, but I'm used to using the black, guys, because I'm from the island and we use black and red positive, black negative. So you know, but here they use it around, the other way around. Really, that's kind of funny, if you know what I'm talking about, guys. That's really funny. Right, but I saw that through this side here, guys. I still have a few little joints that I need to get really intact. Then I'm gonna put some fuse inside of this bad boy here. And what I didn't check to know if what type of fuse it uses. Let me see if it's marked or on the it tells me what fuse it uses. Now I'm gonna show these amplifier. Oh yeah, it says it's a 20 amp fuse. So let's get 220 amp fuse. Those colors would be what, white? Let me see if I remember clear. Oh, 20. Oh no, 20 amp is what color again? Out of my head. Let me try. 15. I know that. No, 20 amp. Oh, 20 amp was yellow. Yellow. So long. I'm gonna put. Yeah, no. Fuse those. I didn't do any upgrade on the circuit, so I don't want to put any higher fuse in it. No higher amperage fuse. So guys, this should be the negative. Going to this, perfect. So what I'm going to do, hook up some wires to this damn thing and see what happens. Right. So I don't have a phone one right here. No. So now, what the heck was that about? Screw. No. Let me check something here real quick and see. Go over here. So this 12 volts, that one over there. Yeah, I was right. Just making sure, guys, before I hook it up, because right here on the screw, somebody scrape it as like they use a marker and put a black. They mark it black, so I don't know why they do that. So maybe that's what the problem was. There. That could be the case why those capacitors are swollen and the circuit is burnt. I think that's what they do, guys. I think that's what they did. They put the volts around here. Oh, yeah. This is marked black. And it's positive. No way black. So let's show you this. Oh man, come on. What I would do, guys, sometime, so because I would just do it and then touch it like this, but because I have a relay and this power supply, I can just screw this up like this, and if anything is feeding back, that relay will chip. So I will bet you before these things burst or explode. Alright, so this is the power. Alright, this should be up here, guys. This should be plugged in right here. Alright, let's see what happened. I didn't see any other problem with it, so that's good there. That's good there. That's good there. Do a little double check right here to make sure nothing is. I did already, but just to know. Alright, guys, let's see now. Alright guys, so let me let me give this a quick check. Alright. That's funny. Cold. Is that good? Where is the power light? And this amplifier, hold on guys. I didn't plug this thing with the power light, guys. Oh my word. Come on. I think this is up and running, guys, but I didn't plug this. I forgot. I was looking at this. This is a protector light. Oh my words. Come guys, help me find this thing. Aha. So right here guys, so let's see if this thing powers on. Didn't see any light here. Oh yeah, it's lighting. Holy crap, look at this guy at the back here. You guys could see, look down in this area. You see that guys? It does pause on. Oh my words. So guys, I'm gonna screw it together, and if I have a bench test video, I'm gonna show it to you guys if I do make one. But these are running cool, so I think everything is okay. Alright guys, see you on part 2 of this video, which I didn't want to make, but I have to. Alright guys, Carty&Carty out for now.
Special delivery.